Hi, this is Michelle. Welcome to my channel. First off, as always, I would like to thank everyone who watches my videos, who subscribes, who likes my videos, who leaves me feedback, leaves me comments. It is appreciated. I thank you very, very much. Today, I am doing, it's a combination of an unboxing and a reveal. It is a new bag that I picked up from QVC. They were having a great sale about, 2, 3 weeks ago? And I think they marked everything down by at least 30%. Some bags were marked down by more than that. So, of course, I went straight to the Florentine. And I had wanted a navy or blue Florentine bag. I think I only have one in my collection. It's the Bristol. But I did want a tote in the navy Florentine. So what I picked up was the Dooney and Bourke Florentine Ashton tote, and the color is navy. I think it's blue. But I don't know if they're referring to it as, navy or as some other, describing it in some other way. I would have to look it up and see, because I do have it pulled up on my iPad. I always have it pulled, well, guess what? Oh, no, it is navy. Yes, it is navy. This is the regular size Ashton. This is not the large one. The large one would have been way too large for me. What I really like about this particular bag is the huge zipper pocket on the back. And this is nice. This is, you can get your phone in here along with your keys, your wallet. I mean, this is a nice size zipper pocket, and I'll show you that as we get further into the video. But that's one of the reasons why I was looking at this particular one. Now, there were a lot of comments on QVC and other sites talking about how short the straps were. A lot of people wanted the straps to be longer, and Dooney does tend to do that for some reason. Sometimes they just don't make the straps long enough, especially when you talk about these totes. But for me, yeah, they're right. It could be longer. I mean, it's not to the point where, um, you know, um, it's not long enough for me to carry, but it could be, if it was just another inch and a half, it would be perfect. And I guess eventually they'll make the adjustment, but right now, this is what they're doing. So, this is the front. This is the side. This is the back. This is the other side, and this is the bottom with 4 feet. So, like I said, I picked this up from QVC within the last 3 weeks, so I haven't carried it yet. But I do want to show you, just how large this bag is. I mean, look at all that room. And that's what I mean. The large Ashton tote, it just would have been way too big for me. And believe it or not, I work from home and have been working from home for the past, year and a half. So I no longer have to commute to and from work. So there's no need for me to get large bags, to take to and from work, at least not at this point. So this is a good size for me. So, again, first of all, it is Florentine, so it's collared in the green suede all the way around. You have the magnetic closure on the opposite side, and you just have to line it up, and that's how it closes. So of course this isn't a zipper top close. If it does tumble over, your things may fall out. But if you have everything in an organizer, you should be okay. this is the back wall with my favorite Dooney pockets. I love these vertical pockets. And most times, if the bag that I'm interested in doesn't have those type of pockets, most time I don't buy it. This is the back, and it has the zipper pocket at the top, and then the slip pocket on the bottom. Now let me bring the camera down so that I can show you what fits in these pockets and what fits in the bag. Yep. So, case for my iPhone 6 Plus, and this is the pocket that's just below the zipper pocket, and it easily fits in there. You have plenty of room, and you can get some other things. You can get another phone in there if you want to. And then the zipper pocket is pretty. It's average. You know, it's not small. It's pretty generous, but it's not the biggest zipper pocket that I've seen Dooney and Bourke offer on their bags. And then the vertical pockets, for some reason, they're making the smaller vertical pocket smaller. I don't know why. I like to use this pocket for my phone because it's a nice tight fit, and I don't have to, if the bag tumbles over, I don't have to worry about my phone coming out. Now, if I didn't have a case on the phone, it would fit in here. But if you have a bulky case, it's going to be a tight fit, or it just won't fit at all. And of course, in this pocket, you'll be able to get, you know, your phone in that pocket, definitely. As far as the zipper pocket, like I said, this is a generous pocket. So you can get a lot of stuff in this pocket. I don't know if I can get it so that you can see just how big and how deep. See, yes, it's from, yeah, right here. This is the whole pocket right here. So it's in my pocket. Let's see if I can get it so that you can, yeah, there you go. So you can easily get a couple of phones in there, your keys, your wallet. You know, if you don't want things tumbling out of your bag, or you definitely want it secure, you definitely use this pocket for those items. So, you know, for my previous videos, I don't carry. I get to grab my larger pouch from Michael Kors, but what I can do is use my iPad. But before I use my iPad, let me give you measurements on this bag. It is 11 inches. Yeah, 11 inches high. Yeah, 11 inches high. 13 3/4 wide or across, and 4.5 inches deep. So it's a nice sized bag, but it's not, to me, it's not too big. So I'm going to start with my Michael Kors medium-sized pouch, and that easily fits in there. Then my wallet, and this wallet has to be, I think it's about 7 inches long, just to give you a point of reference. Let me see. But I believe I measured this out, and yep, it is actually 7.5 inches long. Just to give you a point of reference, this wallet. And that easily fits in. And then I have my smaller pouch from Michael Kors. And that fits in. Look how much room I still have. You can easily get a 16-ounce water bottle in this bag. easily. Easily. And you can get, this is the the iPad with a case on it in this bag. There you go. That easily. This thing keeps getting in the way. You can easily get those items in, and you still have room for more. So really nice capacity on this particular bag. And just to give you a point of reference for that pocket, let me show you what else will fit in this. Let me see, does this fit in here? Yep, look at that. Now, I'm gonna take this out, but yeah, look at that. My medium-sized pouch will fit with everything that I have in here, because this is stuff, but will fit in that pocket and zip. And it doesn't, you can't even tell, you can't even tell that it's in there. But that's a nice size side pocket. So let me show you how it looks on. And I'll put my iPad back in here so that you can see how this looks. Let me just adjust the camera back and up. Let's see if this is high enough. I can get it down just a little bit lower. Yeah. And again, see, you have back up, or actually come forward. Yeah. You have I have a little bit of clearance. If you're smaller, you're going to have more. I think you're going to have more clearance as far as with the strap drop. But it's not bad. It's long enough. The only thing I worry about, when it's so close is that, if it's hot and you're sweating, then that's going to get, you're going to perspire on the bag. And then that'll cause, discoloration and things like that. That's the only thing that I worry about when we talk about, the strap drop. That's why everybody's saying, make it just a little bit longer so that we don't have to worry about that. But this is nice. This is how it looks from the front. And then how it looks from the side. Okay. And you still have enough room, or I still have enough room to swing it back if I want to. But, and again, since you do have a double strap, you can get into the bag while it's on your shoulder and get in there and get what you need and then put it back. So that's nice too. Yep. So, again, want your opinion. Let me know what you think. Let me know if this is something that you would be interested in. It is a nice bag, and I do like Dooney Florentine. I think they offer the best in this type of leather at a really, really affordable price. So I was happy to pick this up. And I forgot to mention the contrasting stitching that's all along the outside of the bag, and of course the red zipper tape, for the exterior pocket. Really, really nice and well-made bag. And even though I have all these things in here, honestly, this is not a heavy bag, believe it or not. And I'm rarely going to carry my iPad with me. If I had to, I would probably take something else. I don't know that I would take this one. But again, let me know what you think. And again, everybody, please stay safe. Please stay safe. You know, protect yourself if you have to go outside of the house. You know, just please stay safe. I thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.